Hi everyone, so here we are. We've cast on 51 stitches and we are just about to finish the first row of our patchwork mitre blanket. So as you can see, lost a stitch there, I have got to virtually to the end of the first row, which is a basic knit. Okay, what I do when I get to the end of this and every row is I stop just before the end of the row. I bring my yarn forward and I slip that stitch onto the needle purlways. Okay, then I turn my needle around, ready to start on the next row. Now this is going to be my right side because this is the decrease row. So just as this and in every row, I start by knitting into the back, not the front as we normally would, but into the back of the stitch. What this does is to give your knitting a really lovely edge, and it actually makes it a lot easier when you come to further squares when you need to pick stitches up. So I knit into the back of my first stitch and then I knit 23 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm sure some of you will be far faster than I am at doing this, so please bear with me. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm sure you can see that the edging is really neat there when I've done that back casting on method that I've shown you all previously. So let me just double check because I have lost count. We've got, there's our first stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now this is where we start the mitre and we start to turn it into a square. I slip that stitch there and then I knit 2 together. Okay, so I miss that stitch and I go in there, I knit 2 together and then I pass this slip stitch over the knit 2 together. Okay, and that starts to form my shape, and then I knit another 23 stitches, which should take you just to the end of the row, 1 stitch before the end of the row. And then guess what, at the end of that row I'm going to bring my yarn forward and I'm going to slip that stitch off. Oh, let's put a little bit more wool around there. I'm going to slip that stitch off purlways. Okay, so we're nearly at the end of the row. And here we go, just about at the end. So I'm going to bring my yarn forward and I'm going to slip the stitch off purlways. Okay, and then I'm going to turn over and I'm going to knit the whole row, and then the next decrease row I will knit the first stitch through the back and then I will knit 22 stitches, and the decrease row after that I will knit 21. And as what will happen then is your knitting will start to pull into a square. Okay, good luck. See you when you finish your first square.